We've been pulling wires since early morning. Got this panel hung and ready to go. The mechanical contractor's running ductwork. Said he needs that space.
I told him no.
But the super's on my back about the schedule.
Says we're holding up the whole job site.
I measured out the clearance with my tape measure. Looked like plenty.
Looked about right. About right isn't good enough on this one.
I've seen inspectors
fail a job for less.
11026 is pretty specific.
This ain't something you can second guess.
What voltage is that panel running?
Is it over 150 to ground?
Because the working space requirement changes
depending on what conditions are found.
I'm pretty sure it's fine.
Pull out the code book.
We've done it this way before.
That don't make it right.
We better figure this out before the inspector hits the door.
3 feet ain't enough if the conditions say more.
Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3.
That's the score. Nominal voltage determines the depth you need.
11026.
Better stop and read.
Working space
is safety space,
not a storage rack.
or a mechanical chase.
3 feet minimum, maybe more.
Depends on what you're working for.
Condition 1 is ungrounded on both sides.
That's your minimum.
3 feet gets you there.
Condition 2 puts grounded on one side.
Add a little more and handle with care.
Condition 3 is live parts on both sides.
Now you're looking at 4 feet minimum clear.
Nominal voltage under 150 to ground.
Is a different table.
Are we on the same page here?
Alright, I see it now. This panel's running.
240 to ground on the voltage side.
Condition 2 applies to our situation.
3.5 feet.
That's the minimum rise.
And the mechanical duct they wanna run there
Drops us under.
I can see it now.
We've got a problem with this installation.
We need to tell the super anyhow.
Now you're reading it right.
Should've checked it sooner.
Better late than the inspector.
Yeah, you've got a point.
Let's get this sorted out before they pour that concrete floor.
3 feet ain't enough if the conditions say more. Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3.
That's the score.
Nominal voltage determines the depth you need.
11026.
Better stop and read.
Working space
is safety space,
not a storage rack.
or a mechanical chase. 3 feet minimum, maybe more. Depends on what you're working for.
3 conditions.
3 depths.
Voltage to ground determines the row.
Width is the widest part of the equipment.
Or 30 inches.
Whichever's more, you know.
Height is 6.5 feet.
Or the height of the equipment.
And nothing goes in that space.
That isn't electrical. Don't even attempt it.
Working space means working space.
Not shared.
Not borrowed.
Not bent.
11026 says it plain.
Learn it once.
No need to repent.
3 feet ain't enough if the conditions say more.
Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3.
That's the score. Nominal voltage determines the depth you need.
11026.
Better stop and read.
Working space
is safety space,
not a storage rack.
or a mechanical chase. 3 feet minimum, maybe more. Depends on what you're working for.
So what do we tell the super?
Tell him the duck moves.
He's not gonna like that.
Neither will the inspector.
Sparky does code.